Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around beautiful 2019 Challenger RT wide body Scat Pack, 52,000 miles. Same family since new. A buddy of ours bought this car brand new, 52,000 miles. Babied its whole life. New tires, new brakes, all synthetic fluid changes every 6,000 miles. Beautiful car, all your factory power options. Got a great look to it. Cannon air filter upgrade. He did a rear diffuser in it. Changed a few little things. Rear emblem's been changed. He does have the factory emblem for the back of it there that'll go with it. Windows are tinted in like a blue tint. They can't be removed if you don't like them, but it looks great. Really runs and drives really nice, really well taken care of car. Ceramic coated, 6 coats of ceramic coat on it. It really shines nice. Like I said, wheels, tires have been done. Jump in it and drive it. A couple little small touch-ups right there. Things happen when you drive them. You have the window sticker and the manuals and everything go with it. Eight-speed automatic trans. Like I said, all your factory power options work in it. Beautiful interior. No accidents, no damage. Factory 6.4 in it, 392 HEMI. The Cannon air filter has been changed in. Upgraded to Cannon. Stock exhaust. He did change the exhaust tips on it. Passenger side here, you can see how nice and clean it is. Car's always been garage kept. No weather elements. If you have any questions at all, my name's Dave. You can call us anytime. Our number is 586-791-0778. ShowdownAuto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.